Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome Today in the daily newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, September the 3rd, 2021, the first week of the month. That means today we have a speed test. The first Friday of the month, we have a speed test with the Sudoku Light. And, well, maybe I will do the heavy Sudoku. I do not know. But first, we will do a speed test. By the way, in this newspaper, there's also an additional with six extra Sudokus. And 3 of them I will do. But first we will solve this baby, and this will be a number 3339. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 big squares with 4 printed digits. 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. 5, 8, 5, 8, 8, 5, yes. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, about a 3 and a 7, 3, 3, 3, 9. Okay, 7 we have here. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 9. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 6. 2, 6, 2, 6. Come on. 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 1, 1, 9, 7, 7, 2. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, 4. 4. 4, 4. 4. 6. Do we have a 6? 6, 6, 6. Yeah, I mean 6. 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 9, and a 5. 5 and a 1. 5 and a 2. 1 and a 9. 7, 1 and a 9. 1, the 9 and 4, 5 and 6. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, speed test, 3 minutes. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 3 minutes. I'm pleased with the time. 3 minutes. And I like this one. Yes. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will do the Sudoku Heavy in a few seconds. Yeah, let me do this one more time. Yes, a speed test. You need to do this once in a while to check your brains if it's fast enough. Yes, and it's good once in a while, and I do it the first week of the month, the first Friday, and yeah, let's keep this on, and well, I will see you later. Until then, bye bye for now.